This is what my day used to look like. Climb a ladder, inspect, scan, and hope I didn't miss a fault. Today, it's different. Now the drone flies, the computer vision inspects. The AI handles the detection. And me? I get everything I need, safe and sound from right here. End-to-end automated inspection workflows. AI-powered image fault detection. Complete network overview. And let's not forget the clarity and control the dashboard and reports give me. The results speak for themselves. Fewer inspections, fewer incidents, fewer outages and emergency repair costs, and a lot more uptime, safety, and clarity. This is inspection, transformed with nybl n.Visual inspection.